Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Hey, Boozhoo! Welcome back to the show. We're going live this morning. um, if you're new to the channel, my name is Nano Boozhoo. And just off camera here is the lovely and talented Natasha. Boozhoo, Kakina! Yeah, they can't see you. Oh, okay. Um, we're just getting set up here. I'm gonna try to move some stuff around. Um, I can't really see that chat. Hmm. Nope. Um, how's this gonna work? Little darling. All right. Um, I can't read the chat. Oh, this is really bad start. Maybe if I. Hmm. Hikes. All right, and we're gonna start this over in a second.